Hi, welcome back. So we have already generated this data and we've done some analysis. Let's continue. Now, I want to count the total students so that I can derive the percentage. Okay, so equals to count this whole range. Let's have a look at this. Count, okay, the whole range without the if, okay, because we don't need conditions. We just want to count all the available students. So there are 10. So over here I want to count the percentage equals to this divide by total. Okay. Now assume that we wanted a bit of text, okay, a descriptive text. Say if it is, let's just put in the pseudo over here. Okay, if it is 60%, okay, 60%, then it should be good. Okay, anything that's above 60, okay, otherwise it will be bad score. Assume that this is what we wanted. Okay, let's put it into implementation. If this cell is above 0.6, then I would say it's good class score. Okay, anything that's not, anything that's below or equals to 60%, then it should be bad score. Okay, so that's bad class score. Let's test this out. If I put in 0.2, what happens? Bad class score. 0.6, bad class score. 0.61, considered good already, because as we said just now, anything that's above, okay, not equals or below. So if it is equal and below, it's bad. If it is above 60, then it's good. We can always break it down further, okay? So extremely good example. So we have extremely good, that is anything above 80, okay? So from 61% until 80, yeah. See here, 61, let's put it into the range right now to make it a bit easier to comprehend. 0% until 60, that's bad class score. 61 until 80, that's good. And then 81 until 100, extremely good. Okay, assume that we have these ranges. So let's try to analyze and implement this. So if let's just have a look here. If it is above 6, we can further filter it down, right? If it is less than 6 or equals to 60, then we don't break it down any further. So let's try to do it over here. If M23 is above 80, so that's 0.8. Okay, that will be extremely good, isn't it? Close it up. Okay, test 0.79, good. 0.8, still good. When it comes to 0.81, that's when it turns to extremely good. Now, let's have a look here. analyze this. Okay, I want to break it into a new line, so alternate enter. Okay, you can think of this in such a way. Alternate enter, alternate enter, alternate enter. Perhaps I should just copy this out into a notepad for easier. I want to show you. Okay, how it looks if I were to break it down in such a way. So if it were to be above 60, then you analyze further. If it is anything that's not that fails this condition, come over here. Okay, anything that's true above 60, here, you further analyze. Of course, if you want to have another grade, say super extremely good, you can do another round. So if n23 is above 0.9, then it will be super extremely good, something like that. Because when this condition evaluates to true, do another round of evaluation. So it's recursive. Okay, so for 1, you drop in, and if it is true, then you drop in further. Okay, so you can think of it in such a way. So that caters for if. All right, so for if condition, what happens if think of this in such a way. You have a condition, and what should happen if it is true? What should happen when it is false? Okay, that's it.